Y'all, I have never seen LAX so empty in my life.
Any unattended baggage will be subject to confiscation. Any unattended baggage.
Y'all, I have never seen LAX so empty. Oh my god. I don't think my flight's gonna be full either.
Smoking is permitted in designated areas only. Please refrain from smoking while walking throughout the building.
TSA regulations require that baggage must be supervised at all times. Any unattended baggage will be subject to confiscation. Any unattended baggage should be reported immediately to an airline representative or law enforcement officer.
Back in the day, we were just 15s only.
Made it to Maine, y'all. I made it to Maine. I'm super pumped. Just have to get the rental car. Now I gotta go to the grocery store. Wow, Portland Airport is a ghost town. Holy shit. Well, good morning, beautiful friends from Maine. Oh, waking up here is so awesome, and I'm a little rough this morning. As you can see, I'm a haggard hot mess. I'm still, I'm going to be on West Coast time for a few days, and I was kind of up late, and I woke up early, but I did get some good sleep. It is a little chilly in here at night. You can see the sun's coming up. Yeah, this little space heater cranks. Just had it right next to my bed. And I stayed here last year. I'll put some links down in the description to other videos I made when I stay on the farm. But it's just a cute little cabin. And it's all just screen. There's no heat in here. It's pretty much open to the elements. So, and it was about 45 degrees last night. But I was cozy. Here's all my little accoutrements. It's a little fridge. I went to the grocery store, just got a few things last night. Super cozy. I love this little stained glass window that you can see. This is screen, and just behind all these things, this is the only part of the cabin that has like kind of walls. So there will definitely be baby goats and piglets involved in a minute, and in like 4 hours, I woke up so early, maybe I could like go back to sleep for a little while. The house hunting starts, y'all. I don't know how many houses we're seeing today, but yeah, I'm finally here looking at houses. Anywho's, I'm gonna probably make some tea and have a little fruit. I have some oatmeal too. And just wait for the sun to come up a little bit more and for it to get a little bit more warm. And we'll see what all the animals are up to. Thanks so much for joining me, y'all. I hope y'all are doing awesome no matter where you are. I'm gonna try and keep up with vlogs this week. The internet situation is a little sketch. Carrie Beat will find a way. Let's keep this good time train rolling, shall we? Oh, did I scare you? Did I scare you? I'm sorry. Hi, piggies. I don't have any food for you, though. Hi, little pigs. What are you doing? What are you all doing? Come here. Oh, no, you can't have that. You can't have that.